Out of this latest news out of Washington in regards to the pandemic and vaccine mandates. President Biden's agenda just completely wiped out. The Supreme Court blocking his nationwide vaccine and testing mandate for large businesses. Allison Harris is live right now at the White House with reaction. I see that smile on your face, girlfriend. I'm thinking there are a lot of people who have something to say about this story.
Adrienne, that smile is because it's Friday. To this news, it was a 6-3 vote. Yeah. So this was a 6-3 vote yesterday with the liberal justices in dissent. That's dealt a blow to this president and his mandate for businesses. That mandate would have entailed businesses with 100 employees or more. It would have required them to be vaccinated or to test weekly. The Supreme Court deciding COVID isn't an occupational hazard in most workplaces, as it spreads at home, it spreads at school, and just everywhere that people gather, adding that it would be a significant encroachment into the lives and the health of a vast number of workers, 80 million people that would have impacted. The president putting out a statement yesterday expressing his disappointment, but calling on the private sector to go ahead and move forward with vaccinating its workforce regardless. Now, this is a major part of the president's plan to get people vaccinated across the country, as hospitalizations right now are at a national pandemic high. Of course, it's just not going to happen now.
We have to keep working together in order to get this done, to save more lives. Continue to call on businesses to immediately join those who have already stepped up, including 1/3 of Fortune 100 companies, to institute vaccination requirements to protect their workers, customers, and communities.
And there was some good news for the president out of the Supreme Court yesterday on his proposed mandates. The mandate was upheld for healthcare workers. The court voted 5-4 requiring healthcare workers to get vaccinated. This applies to all medical facilities that receive Medicare or Medicaid funding. That impacts most hospitals across the country, 76,000 hospitals, and that impacts more than 10 million healthcare workers, Adrienne.
That's a big number, but this ruling over business mandates is certainly going to have some effect on how states handle the vaccine mandates as well, we would assume. Of course, we're going to see how this develops. Allison, thank you so much, and aren't you glad it's Friday? TGIF to you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.